Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can verify your email on Character.ai. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL beta.character.ai. So once you type it in, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. This is your homepage of your Character AI, which you need to sign up or log in. However, to verify your email, you need to click on the sign up option. So once you click on the sign up option, you can get these ways to create an account. However, if you click on continue with Google, you have to enter an email address of your own, and the verification code will be sent to your email address for you to create a Character AI account. This way you can verify your email on Character.ai. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.